Hello friends, welcome to another video. If you have any question related bank statements, so this video for you. Minimum bank statement, fee for Schengen visit visa of Poland from Pakistan. Pakistanis are required to get visa in order to get entry into Poland for tourism purposes. You are required to choose C-type Schengen visit visa if you plan to stay in Poland for a maximum of 90 days in each 180-day period of time. This means that you are allowed to stay in the Schengen zone legally only if your stay in Schengen countries did not exceed 90 days over the last 180 days. You can apply for a Schengen visa in a Polish diplomatic mission if Poland is the only destination country of your visit to the Schengen zone. You visit more than one Schengen country, but Poland is your main destination. You do not know which Schengen country will be your main destination, but you cross the Schengen border for the first time in Poland. Documents required for Poland visit visa. Short stay visa application form duly filled and signed by the applicant. In case of minor, form should be signed by both parents. Number 2. One recent photograph of the applicant. Passport size on white background only. Taken not earlier than 6 months before applying for visa, an ordinary passport or other recognized travel document, valid for at least 3 months from the expiry date of the visa applied for. This document must have at least 2 empty pages. Photocopy of your national ID card. If you have been ever refused a visa by any embassy or High Commission, a refusal letter will be required. Original and photocopy of family registration certificate issued by NADRA in English or with a certified translation if in Urdu. Original signed letter of the applicant's company employer stating name, position, salary, duration of employment, address and contact numbers of the employer, purpose and duration of visit to the Schengen state as. If the applicant is a student, original signed letter from the applicant's school, original bank statements of the last 6 months, duly signed and stamped by bank branch manager. Last 3 salary slips if you're a government servant. Accommodation proof confirmed hotel reservation in Poland. Rent agreement clearly stating your name, rental period dates, an accommodation address covering the entire period of travel. Copy of flight booking s both ways. If the trip is a package tour, attach detailed itinerary, original and copy of a travel medical insurance policy of not less than 30,000 euros. The policy must cover medical and hospitalization expenses for the entire period of valid stay on Schengen territory as well as repatriation costs. The embassy reserves its right to request additional documents. Original documents not needed will be returned with passport, but only if copies are provided by applicant as requested. Poland Schengen visit visa fee in Pakistan. The visa application costs 24,752 rupees. It is non-returnable, whatever the consul's decision. Minimum bank statement for Poland visit visa. 7 OPLN per day. As of December 7, 2023, 1 PLN is equal to 70.75. It means you need to have around 424,500 rupees in your bank account if your stay is for 30 days in Poland. Please don't afraid from bank statement and focus on other documents. Thanks for watching and wait for my next video. I will show you all agencies in Poland. They will help you free of cost. Thanks.